Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a Chromebook tech with AGParts Education, and today I'm going to be tearing down an HP11 G9 MK. I'm going to be demonstrating it on a different model, but the replacement process is the same for both units. So the first thing you want to do is take off the bezel by starting in one corner and popping it off. You want to make sure that whenever you're popping it off, you're pushing the bezel outward and you're not pushing anything into the LCD because that can break it. So you want to pop that off on the sides, the top, and then the bottom should pop off. If the bottom doesn't pop off on its own, you can take this and go in and kind of just drag it along the bottom. Should just pop right out. So once the bezel and the hinge cover is off, you want to unscrew these 4 screws that are holding in the LCD. And then once those screws are out, you can pop out the LCD and unplug the LCD cable. So to put it back, you want to plug in the LCD cable to the bottom of the LCD. Once that's plugged in, you can place the LCD back into the top cover. And screw in the screws to hold it down. Once the screws are back in, you can take the bezel and pop it back into the LCD. And then once that's back on, you can just pop on the hinge cover. I'm going to verify the repair by opening up the computer and hitting the power button. You may have to plug in the AC adapter. And if the screen comes on, then the repair was successful. So now you can power off the Chromebook.